So let's talk about HepatoBurn. We're going to do a review here because it claims to tackle the hidden reason behind that really stubborn fat. And honestly, the science they're pointing to, it's pretty fascinating. So let's dive in and see what it's all about.
Okay, let me ask you something. Are you just feeling drained all the time? And are you dealing with that stubborn fat that no matter what you do, just refuses to leave? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are definitely not alone. It's a super common and super frustrating problem.
But here's the kicker. What if I told you that according to some new scientific discovery, it's not your fault? I know, that's a huge claim, right? But that idea is the entire foundation of this whole thing. It's basically saying we've been blaming the wrong thing all along.
So what is this real root cause they're talking about? Well, the folks behind HepatoBurn point to a pretty recent discovery from 2023. They say it found one single factor that's common in pretty much all overweight people. Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's see what it is. And here it is, the big secret. It's all about your liver. They're saying the root cause is compromised liver function. The research they point to found that this is the one thing overweight men and women have in common. And on the flip side, what do skinny people have in common? You guessed it, a healthy, top-performing liver.
So, this really paints a picture, doesn't it? Thinking of your liver as your body's fat-burning furnace. I kind of love that analogy. Let's dig into why it's so incredibly important for your metabolism.
It really is this simple, but so powerful. Your liver is basically the traffic cop for everything you eat. It decides, okay, are we going to burn this food for energy, or are we going to store it as body fat? It's making that call 24/7.
Now, get ready for this number. 14 times. The research they're citing says that when your liver is working optimally, its cells can be up to 14 times more efficient at burning fat. I mean, that's just a massive difference. So how does their product even begin to try and achieve that?
And that brings us right back to HepatoBurn. This is their solution. They claim it's the world's only formula that's specifically designed to go after this exact root cause. It's not a generic weight loss pill, it's targeted support.
All right, let's pop the hood and see what's inside. The formula has two parts. The first one is called the liver purification complex. You've got things in here like Silymarin and glutathione. These are all about supporting your liver's natural detox process. They even help with regeneration. It's basically the cleanup crew coming in to get your liver in top shape.
And then, part 2, the liver fat-burning complex. So if the first part was the cleanup crew, this is the team that flips the on switch. You've got resveratrol, chlorogenic acid. These guys are here to boost your metabolism and really fire up that fat-burning furnace. The whole goal is to get your body burning calories more efficiently.
But, they say it's not just about losing weight. The idea is that when you support an organ as crucial as the liver, you're going to feel the positive effects all over your body. It's more like a total body transformation.
And look at all these other potential perks. We're talking more energy to get through your day, your skin looking healthier, even sleeping better. People have also talked about feeling less hungry and having clearer thoughts. It's really framed as a whole body upgrade, supporting your overall health.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Is this stuff safe? Can I trust it? And those are absolutely the right questions to ask. So let's talk about that, because they are pretty upfront about their quality and their guarantee. So here's the rundown on their standards. It's all plant-based ingredients, it's non-GMO, it's free of soy and dairy, the capsules are easy to swallow, and it's non-habit forming, which is a big one. And maybe most importantly, it's all made right here in the USA in an FDA-registered facility. And to really show they stand behind it, they have this incredible guarantee. It's a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Get this, you can literally return the product, even if the bottles are empty, within 60 days and get a full refund. That's about as risk-free as it gets. All right, so if you're thinking about trying it, they've got some special introductory pricing right now. It's pretty simple. The more bottles you get, the cheaper each one is. The 6-bottle package is definitely the best deal. It brings the price down to just $49 a bottle, and they throw in free shipping with that one too. So if anything we've talked about today has kind of clicked for you, and you're curious, getting started is super easy. Let me just walk you through the steps real quick. It's literally just 3 simple steps. First, you're going to click the link that's right there in the description below. That'll take you straight to their secure checkout page. And then you just pick the discounted package that works best for you. And there you have it. That's the rundown on HepatoBurn and the science they say is behind it. It's a really interesting approach for sure.
If you want to learn more or see all the details for yourself, the best place to go is their official website. All you have to do is click that link right in the description below this explainer to check it out.